In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a block into a page. If you're organizing notes, docs, or project details in Notion, there comes a point when a single line or a small section deserves its own dedicated space. That's exactly what turning a block into a page is for. In Notion, everything you create, text, headings, images, to-dos, callouts, is a block. When a block starts to carry more importance or needs room to grow, promoting it into a page keeps your workspace tidy and your content easier to navigate. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, move your cursor toward the left edge of the block you want to convert. As you hover, you'll see a small handle with 6 dots appear. This is the block handle, and it opens the options for that specific block. Click those 6 dots to open the block menu. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Turn Into. This is Notion's built-in way of changing a block's type without retyping or copying. Click Turn Into, and then choose Page from the list. The moment you choose Page, Notion transforms that block into a standalone page nested inside your current page. Visually, you'll see the block become a page link, using the block's text as its page title. When you open it, you'll land in a full page where you can add headings, subpages, databases, media, and anything else you need, with plenty of room to expand. If the original block already had content inside it, like a toggle with items or a callout with details, that content moves into the new page so nothing is lost. This simple move helps you keep a clean top-level document while pushing deep detail one click away. It's great for meeting notes that need follow-ups, ideas that are turning into full briefs, or tasks that require their own checklists and resources. By turning growing blocks into pages, you prevent long scrolling, make information easier to scan, and create a structure that scales with your work. After converting, you'll notice the new page listed as a subpage of your current page, and it will appear in your sidebar under that section as well. That makes it easy to find later and to keep related content grouped together. Use this technique anytime a block starts to outgrow its spot. Your workspace will stay organized, and your projects will feel a lot more manageable.